Cold and cough remedy with olive oil, honey, lemon, and ginger ingredients. 1 tablespoon honey, preferably raw or organic. 1 teaspoon olive oil, extra virgin. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, or 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder. Hot water, optional. Instructions: prepare the ginger. Grate or finely chop the fresh ginger. Mix the ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the honey, olive oil, and lemon juice. Add ginger. Add the grated ginger to the mixture, or ginger powder if you're using that. Optional, if you prefer a drink, add some hot water to the mixture, stirring well to combine. Stir and drink. Stir everything together and drink the mixture slowly. You can have it 2 to 3 times a day to help soothe a cough or cold. How it works. Honey has antibacterial properties and can help soothe your throat. Olive oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and helps coat and soothe the throat. Lemon, packed with vitamin C, it can help boost your immune system and reduce mucus. Ginger, known for its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help ease a sore throat and reduce coughing. This combination provides a natural, comforting way to help manage cold and cough symptoms. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's best to consult a healthcare provider.